Hi, my name is Kay Smith, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the Hill Murray Rocket Club. So, this is Hill Murray's first ever rocket. This is called Pie in the Sky because it's always important that you name your rocket. This year, we're going to actually start a rocketry club and hopefully compete in TARC, which is the Team America Rocketry Challenge. And students that participate in the Team America Rocketry Challenge are going to have to build a rocket that will go up to 800 feet of altitude, travel upward and downward in a period of 41 to 43 seconds, and carry a raw egg as cargo without breaking the egg. What's really cool about this competition is that the 100 best teams in the country get the opportunity to travel to Washington, D.C., present their rockets on Capitol Hill to their congresspeople, and then compete in a national competition with the possibility then of winning a place in the world competition, which happens in Europe every year. So I think this is a really exciting opportunity for our students. Rocketry Club is going to be open to all students, middle school through high school, and we'll be getting started shortly after MEA. So if you're interested, please reach out to me. My name is Kay Smith. Thanks.